The nuphy Halo75 V2 mechanical gaming keyboard is a versatile and feature-rich addition to any setup. With its 75% layout and 83 keys, it offers a compact and efficient typing and gaming experience. The keyboard supports multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C, making it compatible with various devices and operating systems, from macOS and Windows to Linux, Android, and iOS. This versatility allows you to seamlessly switch between different devices and tasks, making it an excellent choice for both office work and gaming. One of the standout features of the Halo75 V2 is its customizable firmware. With open-source QMK via firmware, you can explore endless key mapping options, light customization, and other creative possibilities. This level of customization ensures that you can tailor the keyboard to your specific needs and preferences, enhancing your overall experience. In terms of endurance, the Halo75 V2 boasts an impressive 4,000 mAh battery capacity. Depending on your lighting preferences and usage, you can expect working times ranging from 9 to 91 hours with all lights on, 140 to 200 hours with homing bars only, and up to 307 hours with all lights off. These estimates may vary based on actual usage, but they provide a good indication of the keyboard's longevity. Additionally, the Halo75 V2 offers low-latency performance, ensuring a responsive and smooth typing and gaming experience. The high-quality aluminum alloy top shell and surrounding lights at the bottom enhance the keyboard's visual appeal, providing a unique and stylish look. Overall, the nuphy Halo75 V2 mechanical gaming keyboard is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile, customizable, and durable keyboard. With its multiple connectivity options, open-source firmware, and impressive battery life, it delivers an exceptional experience for both productivity and gaming.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.